Hey there! Welcome to PWRCore, where we break down the best tech, tools, and gear so you don't waste your time or your money. Today, we're diving into something every DIYer, contractor, and weekend warrior needs: cordless drills. But not just any drills. We're talking 2025's best, from budget-friendly beasts to pro-level power tools. And trust me, before you even think about clicking that Buy Now button, you'll want to see this list. Why? Because some of these drills might look great on paper, but totally fall short in real-world use. And others? Total hidden gems. So stick around, because at the end of this video, you'll know exactly which cordless drill is worth your cash and which ones to avoid. Let's get into it. Number 1. Milwaukee 2904-20 Hammer Drill. And let me tell you, this thing is a beast in a compact body. It's got 1,400 inch-pounds of torque and hits up to 2,100 RPM. So yeah, it gets the job done fast. But here's the cool part. All that power is packed into a drill that's just 7 inches long and weighs only 3.3 pounds. Plus, it's got an Autostop feature that shuts off the motor if the bit binds, which saves your wrist big time. Oh, and it's one of the few drills out there with 3 speed settings, giving you better control for both drilling and screw driving. It might not be the fastest on paper, but in terms of power, size, and smart features, this one hits the sweet spot. Number 2. Skil PWRCore Drill Driver Kit. If you're on a budget, but still want solid performance, check out the Skil PWRCore Drill Driver Kit. This little guy weighs just 2.23 pounds and still manages to hit 1,800 RPM with 400 inch-pounds of torque. Not bad at all for the price. In our tests, it drilled a half-inch hole in a 2x4 in just 3 seconds. That's quick. It does struggle a bit with larger drill bits, but when it comes to screw driving, it had 0 problems with 3-inch screws. You're getting a compact design, 2 speed settings, and even an LED work light, all for around $80 compared to $300 plus for premium kits. It's not fancy, but for value and ease of use, the Skil delivers. Number 3. DeWalt 20-volt Max XR Hammer Drill DCD 1007. Now this beast right here, it's all about power. The DeWalt 20-volt Max XR absolutely crushed our tests, drilling a half-inch hole in just half a second and a 1-inch paddle bit in 3 seconds flat. It's got 3 speed settings, so you can scale that power back when you're just driving screws. No stripped heads here. One of my favorite things? That anti-rotation safety feature. If the bit binds, it shuts off the motor to save your wrist. Plus, there's a built-in adjustable work light, and despite being a bit heavy at 4.1 pounds, it's only 7.6 inches long, so it fits into tight spots. Yeah, it's a bit pricey, but if you want pro-level performance, this one's worth every dollar. Number 4. Flex 24-volt Brushless Cordless Hammer Drill. Alright, if you're chasing raw power, the Flex 24-volt is where it's at. This beast pumps out 1,400 inch-pounds of torque and tops out at 2,500 RPM. Yeah, it flies through wood and even powers straight through cement without breaking a sweat. The turbo button gives you an extra punch when you need it, and it's got a safety shutoff that stops the drill if it over-rotates. Major win for your wrist. It's a bit on the heavier side at almost 6 pounds with battery, and not the best for tight spaces. But what you trade in size, you get back in serious performance. If you want pro-grade durability and insane speed, this flex drill brings the heat. Number 5. Ryobi 18 V1 Plus Compact Cordless Hammer Drill. Now, if you're looking for something budget-friendly but reliable, Check out the Ryobi 18V1 Plus Compact. It cranks out 750 inch-pounds of torque and hits up to 2,100 RPM, which is pretty impressive for a drill under $100. During testing, it handled basic woodwork like a champ, drilling 1-inch spade bit holes in about 5 seconds and easily sinking 3-inch screws. It even made it through concrete with a 3/8 inch bit. Not bad at all. What really stands out is the lightweight design. Just 2.3 pounds with a compact 6.75-inch head, making it super easy to handle and maneuver, especially for smaller hands or tight spots. Sure, it's not a beast like the others, but if you're tackling DIY projects around the house, the Ryobi gives you more than enough bang for your buck. All right, folks, that wraps up our list of the top 5 cordless drills of 2025. From compact budget picks to absolute power monsters. So, which one's your favorite? Drop your thoughts down in the comments. I'd love to hear what you're using or planning to buy. And hey, if this video helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe to PWRCore for more no-nonsense product breakdowns, and don't forget to hit that bell icon so you never miss a drop. Thanks for hanging out. I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, stay sharp and drill smarter.